welcome to my channel. This is your friendly free soul rider. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who watched my previous video, and also I would like to thank all of them who have subscribed to my channel and have liked my video. So today I'm on my way to this temple called Sree Ayiappa Temple, which is in Chalamakote in Chikkaballapura District. The weather is nice, and let's go and meet there. We have another 26 kilometers to go. I just switched on the camera to show you the countryside. We've almost reached our destination. We are pretty close, and this is how the countryside looks. And you can see that there's a huge hill there, so that is where we are going. We're going to climb. It's a nice twisty road, but you got to be careful while negotiating. Always ensure that nothing is coming on the opposite side. Look for pedestrians. They may just cross. That's the hill where we are going. This is a small village here at the foothill. There's a church. See a lot of coconut trees in the background. The road is not very good. The small patch. Very green. It's pretty overcast, cloudy. This is the monsoon season here in India. And this is the time when it really rains. So there has been rains here. So this is why you see the trees are green. The vegetation around is green. And here we are. This is the entrance. So we have to go up. The rock looks magnificent. This is a narrow road. Again, with a lot of potholes, sand. But it's nice and green, as you can see. So we have to turn right here. And we have reached the destination. Looks like there are quite a few people today for a visit. I see cars, quite a few motorcycles. That is the temple. So let's see where we can park my bike. Maybe here should be okay.
So this is the Sree Ayiappa Swamy Temple that we have reached the destination right now at Chalamakote. I came here a couple of months ago. I was actually with my mother and few other people from the apartment society where we live. And I found this place to be very nice and serene. And I just thought, let me come here today and also share this experience with you all. And it's a nice place. Has a lot of greenery, as you can see. There is a monkey, actually, a couple of monkeys there. That's my bike. As you can see, I have a scorpion helmet and I have the Alpha Head jacket. Alpha Head used to be my own brand of motorcycle gear. Maybe we'll talk about it in a different episode. But right now, let's go into the temple and see. This is not an ancient temple. This was built very recently, maybe a couple of years ago. So let's actually go inside and check. Let's check the deity. So this is the Sree Ayiappa Swamy deity, highly revered in India. This is a small temple here which is dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god. Let's actually go and have a look. This is the backside of the temple. And I see there's another temple there. Not sure whose is that. So let's go and check there as well. The weather is nice, a bit humid, but at least the sun is not out. There are a few monkeys here and also monkey babies. enjoying themselves in the tree.
So we are leaving back. So we are going back home now. It was a nice ride, not very long one. Just about 83 kilometers from where I live. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching my channel once again. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. More content to come, and obviously the content will be much better as I start progressing. Need all your support. Thank you very much once again. See you next time. Bye.